Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the short that features a product. Pause it where the item is visible. Tap the shopping bag icon or product tag overlay. This opens the product layer. If you don't see a tag, make sure commerce features are enabled in your account settings. This matters because creators must link products. Once the product layer opens, you'll see price and merchant info, which helps you decide whether to tap for details or save the product for later. Next, you inspect the product card. This shows price, merchant name, and available variants. Tap variants to switch size or color. Tap the product image or view button to open the merchant preview. This keeps you in YouTube for quick checks. You should read the short description, check ratings, and note return policy and shipping estimates because these affect buying decisions. Once done, decide to save, share, or visit the full site if you need more specs or payment options. Finally, complete your action. Use Save to bookmark, Share to send, or tap Checkout to purchase. Follow merchant checkout steps as prompted. If the product layer won't open, first reload the short, then try opening the product in an external browser. Intermittent API issues cause most failures. If tags are missing across shorts, clear app cache and update the YouTube app. Make sure you're signed in and have commerce enabled. This usually fixes tag visibility problems. Try again after those steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.